This truck includes a Shacman tractor head and a 60 cubic meter LPG semi-trailer for LPG long-distance transport and bulk filling. The 60 meters cubed steel tank bears 1.6 megapascals working pressure. X-ray welding detection ensures tightness, and the liquid level gauge shows real-time residual gas volume. The 3-axle chassis with 315/80 R22. 5. Tires supports heavy loads, while the rear hazard cabinet meets dangerous goods transport rules. Separate liquid and gas pipelines with casting. Steel valves prevent backflow and leakage. 2 valve cabinets perform different functions. The main cabinet with pressure gauges and overpressure sensors monitor tank pressure. The metering cabinet's flow meter prints delivery data, and the hose reel supplies gas to cylinders. It delivers LPG from storage stations to bottling plants and commercial gas users.